Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen right now, and I had an extra Lazy Susan laying around, and I was trying to figure out what to do with it. It used to be part of like this makeup organizing thing, and that was not working for me, so I went to go throw parts of it away and realized the bottom part would make a great Lazy Susan. So I kind of wanted to show you what I did with it. So let's just turn around. And we are in my fridge right now, and right here's where I put it. I'm still working on what exactly I want in it, but I think this is going to work out really well. That way you can see a lot of things and not have to pull things out just to get one thing out. Any suggestions you guys would have of what I could put on in here and how to use this in here would be great. But I really do like the fact that it's in here, and I really think this is going to be a convenient thing to do. I had just put this in here last night, and so we'll see how this goes. Well, that's what I had to show you today. That's it for it. I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.